Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure Premium specification. So this vehicle comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.